First up, we have this gorgeous pull through braid style. So she's doing one on each side of her hair. Her hair is so thick and full. This is an absolutely gorgeous hairstyle. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at the latest hair trends. So today's video is going to feature some fresh spring hairstyles. So if you've been thinking of shaking things up with a brand new look, this video is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these hair ideas, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have a really cute braided half up, half down style. Followed by someone doing a style with a scarf. This to me just screams spring. There's so many cute hairstyles that you can create with a scarf. And then we have someone with this really pretty rose gold hair color curling her hair. Now maybe it's just the lighting, but the hair color is giving me like copper vibes a little bit. But really gorgeous hue. Okay, it definitely looks a little bit more pink in that lighting. And then this is a great hairstyle that you can try if you are heading to festival season or just some type of concert event, or if you're just looking to do something different with your hair. You're basically going to be adding in bold colors to your braids. Absolutely gorgeous, and I love her makeup as well. And that is a great way to mix in some color without actually dyeing your hair. So we have two faux braids right here at the top, and then she's placing the hair into a ponytail. That's a cute little everyday style. Followed by a half up, half down braided look. Now I really like her red hair color. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. She ends up doing a zigzag part and a claw clip. So she did some simple everyday styles with that one. And then we have an avatar inspired style. So she's using hair extensions for this look. She's gluing them into her hair, but you can also do like tape-in extensions or clip ends. And I saw the movie The Avatar 2, and I really did like this hairstyle that she's recreating. I think that it was really cute. So it's basically braids in the front and then like a wavy texture in the back. And you can attempt this style no matter what your hair type is. Very cute. So it looks like we have another braided ponytail style. This one is really nice. Followed by a half up, half down braided style. This would also be great for like every day. And then we do have another claw clip look. Oh, wow. So the under braid is actually very popular right now. I like how she just did it, like just the tiny braids going up with a ponytail. That was really clever. And then we have another pull through braid here, followed by this knot. Oh wow, that is so pretty. I'm really liking all these like TikTok hair hacks right now. They're just so clever. So it looks like she's just putting her hair into a ponytail. And obviously she's in uniform, so she's just tucking her hair in with a beautiful bun. So here we have a roller set. Oh wow, her hair looks absolutely gorgeous. So much body and bounce and volume. I love it. So we have someone else doing a roller set here. And once again, this style of hair with the rollers is really going to give you a lot of volume. Look at that curl, absolutely stunning. So we have another hairstyle with some hair extensions. Oh wow, this is a really intricate look. This would be perfect for like prom or if you're getting married. Absolutely gorgeous hairstyle. And then we have another hairstyle with some extensions. Really pretty braided look here. Gorgeous. This would be a really pretty prom hairstyle. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to find some hair inspiration for the spring season. If you did, please be sure to like today's video. Thank you so much for joining me and checking out these hairstyles. If you want to see even more, you can check out this video next.